Hey guys, today my dad a bird flew on my dad's head and when I was riding my bike. That's the bird.
What do you think it's wrong with it, Brian?
I think it's hurt.
What do you think happened to it?
Because look, there's like a hole
A hole?
there,
You
see?
think you got attacked by something?
Yeah. Look at that hole.
I can't see it. Hold on. Let me zoom in. Where is it?
There.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I think it's hurt. Be careful. Don't touch it. Poor thing, huh? So you want to say something else?
So, at the first place when we saw it, we thought it was mad at my dad, but it was actually hurt. So he was flying, and then I think the bird thought my dad was a tree.
Okay. So there we go. Here we go again. Here's the bird. Poor thing. I gave it some water earlier.
He
So,
did?
Yeah.
When? Did he drink it?
No.
Or
But
the
it gave him some energies. Alright. So
Can I give some water?
you want to say goodbye to everyone?
Bye.
Goodbye, YouTubers. Bye.